Alright, so this gentleman, hold on. He just came to me and he said he can perform more than, I don't know how many push-ups, but he just wants to do push-ups because he has Meloy's fitness. Let's see what he has to do. Okay, let's go. 1, 2.
This one is from the heart. Ishmael Smith toward my eye. From Liberia to Ghana, Africa to the world. You carried Africa in your camera and showed the world our beauty and our pain. From Ghana across the motherland, you made our stories rise again. You didn't only show the places, you showed the people and their dreams. You gave a voice to young creators.